It has been a while since Philippines produced a quality BL. And kagabi habang tumitingin kami ni Paul sa aming mga recommended videos, may nakita kami isang BL. Produced by the same people who produced Hello Stranger, if I'm not mistaken, and Guys Pelikula. Plus, ang lead actor here is one of the actors of The Boy Foretold by the Stars. So lahat ng biggest Filipino BLs pinagsama-sama into one. I am talking about Anima Studios' Marahuyo Project, starring Adrian Lindayan. Okay guys, hindi ito sponsored, hindi na ako kinap to do this. Napanood ko to from episode 1 to episode 4 kagabi, isang upuan. Kasi na-enjoy ko siya talaga. Okay, spoiler alert, sasabihin ko na sa inyo guys na kung naghahanap kayo dito ng mga eye candy, yung mga lalaking pogi, magaganda ang katawan, yung mga pandesal, I don't think that's the BL for you. But if you're looking for a quality BL na maganda ang story, maganda ang cinematography, maganda ang acting, this is for you. For me, ang fresh nitong BL na to, actually hindi nga sila masyado nagfo-focus dun sa story, sa BL storyline. Maraming additional storylines na magaganda na tinatakal dito sa palabas na to. And it's also very socially relevant and very aware with what's happening, especially with our community. And natatakal nilang lahat yun beautifully. I also have to commend the supporting cast on this show kasi ang huhusay, and I'm pretty sure na meron kayong makikilala dun sa mga supporting actors and actresses na nandito. So ayun lang, if you're looking for a good quality Filipino BL, this is it. Try nyo panoorin ang Marahuyo Project.